So is there you're losing a client and revenue because a payment failed and you didn't even know instantly? Don't worry, by the end of this video you will have a simple no coded automation set up for you that will be immediately notify you whenever the payment is going to be failed, so your team will be able to fix this error. Hello there, welcome to AutoAppy. As an automation platform, we built a multiple automated solution which can be useful for the businesses like your, so you can save your time and money. Today we are using AutoAppy, the incredibly easy platform that lets you create your powerful automation without writing a single line of code. So without wasting our time, let's just create this workflow. For that, just come to the new tab and search for the AutoAppy.
So this is the landing page of AutoAppy where you can find a multiple sections. In this section you can find we provide a list of application, so you can use this application to build a powerful automated workflow. If you scroll down, you got multiple templates which is ready to use to boost your businesses also. And then here you can find a pricing plan where we provide starter plan, essential plan and professional plan. If you notice, in our starter plan we just provide 3000 tasks every month for your first signing up freely. So now let's just create the automation workflow by simply tapping on the workflow, and here you can find this is the automation dashboard where you can able to manage or monitor your workflow with respect to their filters, like on the basis of their status, tasks executed and the basis of their action also. So let's create the workflow by simply tapping on the add workflow, give it a name.
So here you can find a small windows appear with a list of applications. We called it as a trigger application, and the trigger application we are used is Stripe, and the application we are going to use is Razorpay, followed by the event which is a payment failed, and here this one, just add this first application. So you can see we just successfully add our first application into the into the canvas. Now here we have, now here is the magical part. We have to integrate this webhook URL into our Razorpay dashboard, so is able to communicate with Razorpay and capture the data which will be come from the Razorpay into the AutoAppy. So let's just set up our webhook URL. While you can read this instruction also to how to set up this webhook URL. For now I'll just show you how we are going to set up this webhook URL. Just simply copy this webhook URL, come to your Razorpay dashboard, and then search for the payment pages, and then search for the account and setting. Then here just search for the webhook. So here you can find a list of a list of integrated webhook. So just simply add a new webhook and paste your webhook URL here itself with the event of payment is failed. So now just submit the data and create a webhook. So here you can find we successfully create our webhook. Now we just have to check is our webhook now we just have to say now we just have to check is our webhook is working correctly or our application is working fine or not. So just come to your Razorpay dashboard, and under the payment link you just got one link with payment ID. Just copy there, just copy itself and come to the new link and come to the new tab and search paste it here. So let's just start capturing sample data and fill the data with dummy name and try to make a payment. And we are going to make a failed payment right now. Just open the card and fill the card details. And continue. So here you can find you are not able to support this data because the card is not verified. So let's check the status. Is our AutoAPI able to capture it? So yes, we successfully capture whole data with their reason also. So let's just map the data into our Google Sheet. So I'm going to use this one. So let me just wipe out the data. And select this and select this ID. So now just click the plus icon and search for the Google Sheet and insert a row in a Google Sheet itself and add this application. So here you can find there is two ways. Either you can create a new connection or you can use your existing connection. Let's just use our existing connection and here just select this one. Now here you have to paste your Google Sheet ID. Here you have to paste your spreadsheet ID. Just paste here and then search for the payment update. So yes, it successfully fetched all the column data. Now what we have to do, we just have to map the data from Razorpay into our Google Sheet. But before that, we have to do one more thing. We have to add math operator before the Google Sheet. So why we are going to do this? Because the amount it will be providing is in the whole number, where it is not able to give it in the decimal format. So we just going to divide it with 100 and submit the data, test this note, and yes, it is successfully connected and give the correct amount. Now it's time to map the data. and hit the submit button. So we successfully saved the data. Now it's time to test this note. So what we are going to assuming after testing this note, we just get the data from the result pay should be updated into our Google Sheet itself. Now just hit the test this note. So our task executed successfully. Now we can find yes, it is providing the whole data in the way we want it. So it literally means we are working. So it means that our automation is working fine and correctly. So there you have it. You just have to learn how to create a powerful instant alert system for razor pay failure for a razor pay failure using AutoAPI. No code, no stress, just peace of mind and better revenue protection. This is exactly the kind of efficiency that helps small business and freelancer to thrive. If you found this video useful or like this video, just hit the subscribe button for more no code automation tips and that saves your time and money, and get started with exact automation right away. Click out the automation link we just posted in the description below. Thanks. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.